red traffic signals, again, these make you stop. A red arrow requires that you stop, and even if you're going right on red, you still have to stop. We'll also talk about that. A little bit later on, we'll talk about where to stop at the intersection, but this gives some indication: stop at the stop line or before you enter the intersection or a crosswalk. Make sure that you're not stopping in a crosswalk. So, right on red is permitted in Virginia as long as you don't see one of these signs. The first thing that a person has to do if they're going right on red is to actually make sure that you stop, check for traffic and pedestrians, and if you see one of these signs, you can't do so. But if there are no pedestrians and nobody's coming and you have a gap, you can make a right turn on red after you've stopped. There is one situation that you can make a left turn on red. If you're on a one-way street and the street that crosses your one-way street is a one-way street crossing to the left, you are able to make a left turn on red only after you stop and you check for other vehicles and pedestrians. Again, that's only if you're on a one-way street and your crossing street is a one-way street to the left. Again, if it has the sign that says no turn on red, you can't do it at that intersection. Flashing signs also have a meaning. A red flashing light is the same essentially as a stoplight. You have to stop and you need to wait until the way is clear. You yield to the other cars, and then once you have sufficient space, you can go ahead and